Amy, do you want to make a movie today? Do you want to? Gotta say hello. Hi, Amy. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. How are we doing today, huh? Hello. Hi. Hi, Geek. Geek the girl. Good girl. Wave hi. Hello. Hello. Good bird. Yeah, good high waver. Can you do big wings? Yay! Big wings, Amy. Big wings. Yay! Come on, Amy. Get him up. Such a one-trick pony. Let's go see the little guys. Toady, Toady, Toady. Hi, Toady. Hello. Toady, Toady, Toady. Hey. How you doing, Stinky? Told you bye. The good boy. Toady, Toady, Toody's a good boy. I love you. I love you, crazy little thing. He's a good bird. He's a good bird. Matilda. What a little head case. Radar! You don't want to come out today? You want to stay in your house? Huh? You just want to stay in your house? Alright. Get like that sometimes. There we go. I'm back. Back to the beginning. There's a pretty girl. Yes. That's a good girl. Hello, Taco. Hello, bird. Hello. Hello. Say hi. Hello. Say hi. You like to raise your foot today? That's a girl. You tell him, honey. You tell him. You tell him, honey. Let's go catch Chi-Chi while we're at it. He's over here in the timeout chair. He was bad today. Are you bad boy, Chi? Dance, 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 dance. Come on, Chi. Good boy. Hello, Chi. Oh, my arm coming in for the close-up.